Hey there. Want to work in a role where you can truly change lives, especially for children with autism? Then becoming a registered behavior technician, or RBT, might just be the perfect fit for you. RBTs work under board certified behavior analysts, helping children learn how to communicate, build social skills, and reduce challenging behaviors using applied behavior analysis, or ABA. So why choose this career? You'll make a real difference in families' lives. Demand for RBTs is growing across schools, clinics, and homes. It's a job that's both fulfilling and appreciated. And there's room to grow into more senior roles, like a BCBA. Here's how to get started. First, you need a high school diploma, be 18 or older, and pass a background check. Then complete a 40-hour RBT training course. Many employers include this during onboarding. Next, pass a competency assessment with a certified professional. Apply to the Behavior Analyst Certification Board, known as the BACB. And finally, pass the RBT exam. It's 85 multiple choice questions on ABA basics and ethics. Looking for support to get started? Surpass Behavioral Health is hiring across several U.S. states. They offer paid training, mentorship, and even tuition help to grow your career. If you're passionate about helping children and ready to grow in a meaningful career, becoming an RBT might just be your next big step. Go for it.